Make $346.55 a day on Clickbank, which is the super affiliate marketing strategy that I'm going to show you today. So it's absolutely free traffic source for Clickbank products, and at this free traffic source is having 68.20 million visitors per month. So this is the website that has more than 68 million visitors per month, which is a pre-tropic source, and you can use as a rocket source for your affiliate products. So and you can make money online with this system. So if each sale you make, you will get $346 a day or plus. So it is the best way to make money online with this system. Actually, before starting that, let's come to my channel. And Nick, I would like to remind you that if you are new to our community, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So we have different playlists, different videos, and different strategy we are using for making money online, work from home, and freelance work, and as well as affiliate marketing system. So if you are interested with affiliate marketing system, so you can definitely visit the Clickbank tutorial and affiliate marketing tutorial playlist. We have money strategies, the tips, tricks here that you can use and apply for your daily routine and make some sales for free ways. And if you want to make money with website, legitimate website, so you can do it. If you want to make money online with best online earning apps, so you can make it easy. These are all the free traffic source and the free ways to make money online. But if you are interested with freelance jobs, so you can definitely visit to the best freelance website playlist on internet. And you can also use the Fiverr tutorials, that 28 videos we have, that these are all the tricks and tips for free strategies that you can use and grow your Fiverr gig easily and make more sale. So I don't want to make video longer. Let's jump into the main strategy to make money online with this system. So once you come to the Clickbank affiliate marketing website, so if you're new, so you can apply for one. It's absolutely free. If you are not, so you can just search in the search bar, for example, any niche you can use. I'm using Make Money Online niche and today as an example. And once you search that, you can go to the gravity. Here you can choose the gravity, means the best product is coming on the top that many people are purchasing that, and you can scroll down. Once you scroll down to the bottom a little bit, and you can see, for example, CB University 20k plus students. So I'm going to promote this offer today, that how it is working actually. So once I click the promote button, I will have the link and I can promote that. Before grabbing the link, I'm just clicking on the website, so I will see the website, that how it looks. So this is the main website, that CB uh, University or Clickbank University. So this is the offer, this is the video, the complete video if you want to see, so you can watch and you can scroll down, and these are the tips and instruction directions that they are going to show to the people to buy this offer or this product actually. So this is the basic website that they are promoting. So you can simply see this, and if anyone come to this website, refer to this website and they click on the buy or purchase, so you will get the commission or you will get the money of that. So if anyone click yes, I want to join the Clickbank University, and they sign up for this trail, then you will get the money of that. So I will show you the free 68 million visitor free traffic source in this video. So stay with me to the end of this video and I will show you that how you can make this great opportunity toward your home door. So once we just figure out and find out the offer or product, then we are going to the free traffic source, that how it's work. So the free topic source website is simply Flickr. Flickr, you might be seen or heard of the Flickr. It's a general worldwide website and it's absolutely free to join. And by joining, you can simply upload the simple photos, images to this website, and you can have the topic to that. So this website is stand as a best topic source for Clickbank and others affiliate marketing system or offers. So this is photos and 2 million groups are available in this Flickr website. If we come to the free topic source that I have told you that you can gain 68 million visitors per month. So if we just find out uh, this similar waves, so they are coming in the category rank number one, and we can scroll down and see, for example, monthly visitor. If you see monthly visitors, 68.20 million visitors they have. So it is the best traffic source for Clickbank to promote the product, and it's absolutely free. So how you will promote, I will show you step by step how you will promote. And another the best pros for this website is that the most of this traffic of this website traffic goes come from United States, which is good for affiliate or clickbank products, and United Kingdom. So these two countries are on the top countries that more traffic as from this website. So you can simply upload your images and use as a traffic source like here. So how you will do, I will show you. So once you come here to this website, the main website, you can simply click on start for free. Once you click on the start for free, you will see another page which will require your first name, last name, your age. You can add your first name here, very simple. Add your last name, your age, your email address, and your password, and you are good to go to sign up with that. Once you sign up with this website, you will see a page something like this, and you can search on the search bar, for example, anything you want. So anything that you are promoting, you can simply just go with that. So if it is the fitness niche, you can use as a uh, fitness, and if you are any other, you can go with that. So it doesn't really matter that what niche you are promoting. So if you are using any making money online business or make money online niche you are promoting, so you can see these photos that people are promoting that. So how they are promoting actually, once you sign up and you can click on the upload. Once you click the upload, you will upload your image. And for example, if you see these guys that how they are making money with this, if you come here, you see, and that is her name, the username, and this is the description actually, and this is a link. She used a link and she has 290 visitor or viewers for only this one post. If we click on this link, it will be absolutely a clickbank product or any other website affiliate product that she is promoting. So once I click here, they will redirect me to a page that will be a clickbank or any other product. So let's see what offer is actually that. Can go back. So if you see these all photos that people are just holding or uploading, so these are all the way that made over 300 from my bed. Okay, so let's see what he's promoting, this guy. If you scroll down, see he has a great title, and also he used a description. At the end, he used a website link. So this is the website link that if you click on this, they will redirect to a page which will be something uh, this affiliate system that this guy is promoting on this platform. So this is the best way that guys is using. Okay, I don't know what happened with this. So you can see many people, and many people are just doing that. So that is that much simple and easy that people can make money with this only upload general photos. So I will show you that how you can grab the photos, how you can find the photos, and how you can upload. And another best part is that this is having the title, description, and as well as tags they have. So if you use the tags that how make money online passive income, so you use the useful tags if you use, and your description and also in the tags area, so you will have more visitor and more traffic. Like this guy is having, for example, 1015 waves this guy had. So if anyone just click on this, on these links, so they will simply redirect to a page or to a website that will be promoting something like that. You see, this guy is
Hey, it's Justin, and if
okay. That is the same product that what we were uh, testing on that. Okay, that you can make $346. So that is the Clickbank University offer that this guy is promoting on the here. So you can do as well. It is very easy and it is free of charge that you can make here. You see, this guy is, and if we see, we come to our offer. So this is the same offer that we were, I have shown you a moment ago. Okay, so this is the same offer, and this guy is also, this is the offer that I have shown you, and this is the offer that this guy is using actually as a free traffic source from the flickr.com. So it is a website, and it's a great website that you can simply upload the photos from around, and you can make money with those ways actually. So the other great part is that this website is something like your own website. You can sign up for that, and you can have your own group or your own account, and you, each photo that you are uploading, you will have the title, description, tags area, and also many things that you can simply rank very great and very easily by the tags or keywords that you are using. So how you will find the photos and these idea, or how you can promote these things. Actually, if you are promoting some offer, so definitely these guys will give you the an affiliate page. In affiliate page, these guys are sometimes giving the products that you need to promote. They will give you the banner, photos, and each and everything. But if they did not give the products or the banners or something like that, or photo images, it doesn't matter. You can simply uh, just go to pixel.com. Okay, uh, so Pixel is the super easy and it's absolutely free way to just download and upload your photos from here. So it is not only Pixel. Pixel is there, Pixabay is there, anything is there. Okay. There are many websites online that you can get free images. There will be no copyright, no strike, nothing will be there, and you can upload on Flickr and use your link and description and tag. So that is the best way to promote Clickbank products online. So if you search here, for example, uh, lose weight, or for example, uh, make money online or something like that, you will have money photos, images online that you can find, and you can simply just click on this each image and you can download it very easily, and you can, for example, uh, use on Flickr website. So you can simply come here and click on the free download, and there will be no uh, strike or anything else, because they simply says in each uh, photo, for example, free to use. Okay, means you can simply use. If you need more info, you can click on this and you can see the more info. For example, lens, which kind of photos is that, by which camera it's taken, and which lens they use, size, resolution, camera, software taken at, for example, in what time, aspect ratio, colors. So these are all the general information. If you scroll the license, free to use, no attribute required. So it means that you can simply use anytime, anywhere you want. So it doesn't really matter. So this is the free strategy that I would like to share with you today, and I was interesting and I said it is great idea, so let me share with my subscribers and my friends that they can also get benefit from that. So if you are new to our community, please hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification, so in that case when we upload new video you will be notified of that. So every day we upload new videos and we are using the different free strategies to make money online or just to work from home. So if you like the video, please give it a thumb up, and because thumb up and like is nothing for you, but it's really matter for me and it's great for me, and it encourage me to make more videos similar to these. And comment me below the best way to make money online, and I will show you the free strategies and more things that you can just turn your daily income into a millionaire style. So thank you for watching. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.